Good morning, students. We are going to read the chapter number 26, Defense Officer Wahida. Have you ever seen her photograph anywhere?
Have you ever seen her photograph anywhere?
She is Lieutenant Commander Wahida Prison,
She is Lieutenant Commander Wahida Prison,
doctor in the Indian Navy.
doctor in the Indian Navy.
She is one of the few women
She is the one of the few women
who has worked
on
a naval ship.
a naval ship.
She is the first woman
She is the first woman
to lead a parade.
to lead a parade.
This is considered to be a very big honor
This is considered to be a big
in the armed forces.
in the armed forces.
We specially spoke to Wahida
We specially told
for this book.
for this book.
Let us read
Let us read
what we spoke.
what we spoke.
Question.
Question.
Wahida,
Wahida,
tell us something
tell us something
about your childhood and school.
about your childhood and school.
Wahida,
Wahida,
I come from a very small village
I come from a very small village
called
called
Thana Mandi.
Thana Mandi.
This is in Rajouri district
This is in Rajouri district
of Jammu and Kashmir.
of Jammu and Kashmir.
I did my schooling
I did my schooling
from a government school.
from a government school.
Most of the girls from the village
Most of the girls from the village
studied in my school.
studied in my school.
However,
However,
few of them ever thought of
few of them ever thought of
what they would do.
what they would do.
Defense Officer Wahida.
Defense Officer Wahida.
After finishing school,
After finishing school,
I always wanted
I always wanted
to become someone special
to become someone special
and move forward in life.
and move forward in life.
I was very interested
I was very interested
in higher studies
in high studies
and wanted to complete
and wanted to complete
the 10th class.
the 10th class.
In my area,
In my area,
it was a new thing
it was a new thing.
at that time.
At that time,
My mother and father
my mother and father
had to face many problems
had to face many problems
because of this.
because of this.
We even had to move
We even had to move
out of our village.
out of our village.
We then went to live
We went
with my grandmother
with my grandmother
in Rajouri.
in Rajouri.
I did my 12th class from there.
I did my 12th class from there.
Question.
Question.
So you always thought
So you always thought
differently right from the beginning?
differently right from the beginning?
Wahida.
Wahida,
Even when I was very young,
I was very young.
I wanted to do something different.
I wanted to do something different.
I was very fond of
I was very fond of
riding a motorcycle.
riding a motorcycle.
We were 3 sisters.
We are 3 sisters.
My father
My father
wanted one of us
wanted one of us
to become a doctor
to become a doctor
and one
and one
a teacher.
a teacher.
He wanted the third daughter
He wanted the third daughter
to become a lawyer
to become a lawyer
or to join
or to join
the police force.
in the group.
I have become a doctor
I have become a doctor
in the Indian Navy
in the Indian Navy,
and my sister
and my sister
is in Jammu Police Force.
is in the Jammu Police Force.
Question.
Question.
How did you become a doctor?
How did you become a doctor?
Wahida.
Wahida,
I worked very hard.
I worked very hard.
My friends and family members
My friends and family members
helped me a lot.
helped me a lot.
I got admission
I got admission
in Jammu Medical College.
in Jammu Medical College.
I studied
I studied
for 5 years
for 5 years
and did my MBBS.
and did my MBBS.
Question.
Question.
How did you get
How did you get
into the defense forces?
in the defense forces?
Didn't your family stop you?
Didn't your family stop you?
Wahida.
Wahida.
Oh no.
Oh no.
They felt that
They felt that
a job in forces
a job in the forces
would be the best thing for me.
would be the best thing for me.
When I was
When I was
very small,
very small,
I would see army officers
I used to see army officers
in our village.
in our village.
I wanted to be like them.
I wanted to be like them.
This was
This was
really a very big dream for me.
really a very big dream for me.
While in school,
While in school,
I attended
I attended
camps,
camps,
climbed mountains,
climbed mountains,
was a Girl Guide.
and was a girl guide.
After I became a doctor,
After I became a doctor,
I appeared for an interview
I appeared for an interview
to join armed forces.
to join the army forces.
I got selected there
I got selected there
and received a training for 6 months.
and received a training for 6 months.
Question.
Question.
Why did you join
Why did you join
the Indian Navy?
the Indian Navy?
Do you not have to live in the naval ship?
Do you not have to live on a naval ship?
Wahida,
Why
well,
Well,
I am very fond of traveling.
I am very fond of traveling.
I like to see different places.
I like to see different places.
I wanted to go
I wanted to go
to far off places.
to far off places.
I was born in the hills
I was born in the hills
and now
and now
I am working in the sea.
I'm working in the sea.
I really enjoy it.
I really enjoy it.
Very few lady officers
Very few lady officers
have worked on a ship.
have worked on a ship.
I am one of them.
I am one of them.
Earlier, women were not allowed
Women were not allowed
to go on a naval ship.
to go on naval ships.
When an opportunity was given,
When opportunity was given,
I myself went forward
I myself went forward
and gave my name.
and gave my name.
I even wanted to go in a submarine.
I even want to go in a submarine.
I wanted to do everything
I want to do everything
which people think women cannot do.
which people think women cannot do.
At present,
At present,
women are not allowed
women are not allowed
to go in the submarines.
to go in submarines.
But whenever
But whenever
it is allowed,
it is allowed,
I will certainly go.
I will certainly go.
Question.
Question.
So what happened
So what happened
to your degree of MBBS?
to your degree of MBBS?
Wahida.
Wahida,
I am a doctor,
I am a doctor,
but in Indian Navy.
but in Indian Navy.
A naval doctor
A naval doctor
does not just give medicines to the patient.
does not give medicines to the patients.
She is in fact
She is in fact
a medical officer.
a medical officer.
The ship goes to sea
The ship goes to sea
for 3-4 months
for 3-4 months
at a time.
at a time.
There, it is my responsibility
It is my responsibility
to make sure
to make sure
that everybody on the ship
that everybody on the ship
stays fit and healthy.
stays fit and healthy.
I carry out medical checkups
I carry out medical checkups
of all the officers and sailors.
of all the officers and sailors.
I also have to make sure
I also have to make sure
that no garbage collects
that no garbage collects
and there are no rats
and there are no
on the
rats
ship.
on the ship.
Rats and garbage
Rats and garbage
can spread diseases.
can spread diseases.
I must keep everybody ready
I must keep everybody ready
for any medical emergency
for any medical emergency
on the ship.
on the ship.
In case
In case
there is an accident on the ship,
there is an accident on the ship,
such as fire,
such as fire,
everybody must be ready
everybody must be ready
to deal with it.
to deal with it.
Question.
Question.
Is there a hospital on the ship?
Is there a hospital on the ship?
Wahida.
Wahida,
First aid
first aid
is given on every naval ship.
is given on every naval ship.
Each ship
Each ship
has one doctor
has one doctor
and 2 or 3 assistants.
and 2 or 3 assistants.
Necessary medicines
Necessary medicines
and some equipments
and some equipments
are also available.
are also available.
All these things are
All these things are
kept in a small room.
kept in a small room.
Question.
Question.
You are the first women
You are the first woman
to lead
to lead
a passing out parade.
a passing out parade.
You must have worked
You must have worked
very hard for this.
very hard for this.
Wahida.
Wahida,
My senior gave this opportunity
my seniors gave this opportunity
to me after seeing my performance
to me after seeing my performance
for 3 years.
for 3 years.
I felt happy that
I felt happy that
they had chosen me
they had chosen me
and shown faith in me.
and showed faith in me.
So I practiced very sincerely.
So I practiced very sincerely.
Question.
Question.
Tell us something about that parade.
Tell us something about that parade.
Wahida.
Wahida,
In a parade,
in our parade,
4 platoons
4 platons
marched behind the leader.
marched behind the leader.
36 commands
36 commands
have to be given.
have to be given.
During the entire parade,
During the entire parade,
these must be given
these must be given
in a very loud voice
in a very loud voice
so that
so that
it is heard till
it is heard till
the rear. The voice should
the voice should
also reach the spectators
also reach the spectators
sitting on
sitting on
the other side of the ground.
the other side of the ground.
Question.
Question.
Didn't you feel nervous
Didn't you feel nervous
leading 4 platoons?
leading 4 platoons?
Wahida,
Wahida,
I was not nervous,
I was not nervous,
but one has to shout
but one has to shout
36 commands.
36 commands.
If you forget even one,
If you forget even one,
the entire parade can get spoiled.
the entire parade can get spoiled.
I practiced
I practiced
every morning and evening
every morning and evening
for a month,
for a month,
but
but
I have been participating
I have been participating
in parades
in parades
since school.
since school.
Question.
Question.
What is the meaning of word
What is the meaning of the word
prism?
praised
In your name,
in your name?
Wahida.
Wahida.
My father gave
My father gave
this name to me.
this name to me.
A prism is a kind of glass which reflects
Which reflects
7 colors.
7 colors.
My father wanted me to be
My father wanted me to be
like a prism,
like a prism,
and that is why
and that is why
he started calling me
he started calling me
by this name
by this name
from my childhood itself.
from my childhood itself.
Do you know
Do you know
anyone who is in defense services
anyone who is in defense services
is the person
is the person
in the Navy,
in the Navy,
Army,
Army,
or Air Force?
or Air Force?
What work
What work
do they do in the force?
do they do in the force?
Would you like to join
Would you like to join
the defense services?
the defense services?
Which one of the three
Which of the three
would you like to join?
would you like to join?
The Army,
The Army,
the Navy,
the Navy,
or the Air Force?
or the Air Force?
In which other jobs
In which other jobs
do people wear uniform
do people wear uniforms
as in defense services?
as in defense services?
Wahida works
Wahida works
as a doctor
as a doctor
in the Indian Navy.
in the Indian Navy.
Can you name
Can you name
5 other occupations
5 other occupations
in the Navy?
in the Navy?
Have you ever seen a parade?
Have you ever seen a parade?
Hold a parade in your own school
Hold a parade in your own school
and try giving
and try giving
36 commands.
36 commands.
For example,
For example,
parade,
parade,
eyes right,
eyes right,
don't move,
don't move,
close in,
close in,
open file.
open file.
Can you add some more commands to this list?
Can you add some more commands to this list?
Talk to a doctor
Talk to a doctor
and find out
find out
about his work.
about his work.
Do you know
Do you know
any woman
any woman
who has done
who has done
something unusual?
something unusual?
Talk to her
Talk to her
in the same way
in the same way
as we talked
as we talked
to Lieutenant Commander Wahida Prism.
to Lieutenant Commander Wahida Prism.
Think of the question
Think of the question
that you will ask.
that you will ask.
Find out
Find out
why she has chosen
why she has chosen
that work.
that work.
What were the difficulties
What were the difficulties
she faced in her life?
she faced in her life?